Hi there. So my name is Andy Martin and I do blockchain business value design for a living. So look, today I want to talk to you about how you might build a business case for a member to become part of a blockchain network. And one way to think of this is to kind of put the benefits maybe in three buckets. So the first bucket then, this is really what you might call operational improvement. So this is where we say, well, look, guys, if we just work together, get a common view of the truth in a shared B2B process, what are the areas where we're likely to be able to show an improvement? And here, we're looking to shave off the corners, really, as we pick up the as-is processes and put them into blockchain. So right now we've got company A have their process, company B has their process, company C has their process, and they're all kind of mirrors of each other. You know, your purchase order is my sales order, your purchase invoice is my purchase invoice, and all these things need to be reconciled together. So if we put a common view across the top, a shared process across the top, we can eliminate all of the inefficiencies and pain down in the individual company silos. So this is really optimizing B2B processes. So this is about automating processes with smart contracts along here, getting rid of those phone calls, those bits of paper, those manual steps to try and reconcile these two processes together. This is about having a real visibility of the asset as it moves up and down that supply chain to really optimize your working capital, in particular your inventory. And also, of course, to give you provenance of that asset all the way through the supply chain, right the way back, from the back all the way through to the front. So the consumer here really has a much better understanding of what it is they've bought all the way back. So that's going to let you charge more for it. It's going to let you have a much better engagement with your consumer. And it's also going to get rid of fraud and help you get rid of counterfeit and stuff like that. Now, one of the key issues with that last part is in trying to make sure that the digital asset is the same as the physical asset. So you need a digital twin. So something like an IoT device, a QR code, an RFID tag. Look at the work that Kia is doing here to try to make sure the asset on the blockchain is the same as the physical asset. So that's the first basket of benefits. Now, I'll talk about the other two baskets of benefits, the other two types of benefits on another call. The first one is about innovation and all the new stuff which you can do on a blockchain. And the second one is about the idea that we're building a new type of business here, which looks more like a network. And would you like to have a share of the revenue of the networked economy? So I'll talk about those other two benefit areas later. So cheerio, bye now.